What is up, everybody? Ed here with Drum Flip. Got a Zildjian SoundLab prototype 22-inch ride cymbal. This looks very similar to a Constantinople. Um, they have a nice lathed and unlathed portion on the bottom. Keeps it nice and controlled. Beautiful wash. 22-inch SoundLab prototype. Let's hear how it sounds. This cymbal is available in-store or at drumflip.com. Start with the mallet first. Dark, got a beautiful wash, complex bell. This cymbal is fantastic. It's available in store or at drumflip.com.